DeSoto ISD has been a part of this program from its inception. You have always been a cornerstone of this particular National Signing Day, but you're also a valuable partner on every level. We absolutely love your students. We appreciate how they're prepared and how they're very, very excited about what's next for them, and we're just so honored to be a part of their next step in their lives.
Well, what we do with CCMR, we look at your college and career, and within DeSoto ISD, we begin our students early on, exposing them to various careers and opportunities and what fields our students want to go into. And we have those pathways at our high school, but some of our students can get into the workforce with a 2-year degree, some certifications, and community colleges offer that.
It's very exciting. We've actually done this for a number of years, so it's good to get the children out of the classroom so they can actually feel kind of like the athletes do when they sign their athletic letters of intent. Well, it's the same concept for the CTE program, so the students are very excited. It kind of makes them feel official that they're going to college and they're getting to study in the pathway of their choice.
I go to school at DeSoto High School. Go Eagles! They help me get a little bit of background knowledge before I actually start taking the courses whenever I get to college. So I feel like, if anything, it just prepared me for the classes I'm about to take whenever I attend college.
I'm very proud of my accomplishments, and I was grateful for the opportunities. It helped me to stay focused and learn, and helped me to guide me to know I want to be this, I want to do this, this is what I want to do.
We are excited to be partnering with Dr. Rogers. She's magnificent in every way. She knows us from soups to nuts, and I'm just excited. She's just been a magnificent partner.